it's me, Omega Mod. Today we're going to review these 5 Hot Wheels cars. First up, let's review this Hot Wheels 2007 Ford Mustang with black, red, white, and black. With front, we have gray grille and a gray front bumper grille. Pan to side with chest horse with chest checker stripes. Wolf with night logo with horse chest logo. Rear and driver side. And the code says K51, that's the code. Let's review this new for 2018 is BMW M2 with blue. With front, we have black grille and headlights. Pan to side with gray wheels. Rear, driver side, and roof. And the code says K51, that's the code. Let's review this Hot Wheels RV color. It's Corvette C7.R with blue, red, and gray. With front, we have no detail. Pan to side with Summit logo. Rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof. And the code says K51, that's the code. Let's review this Hot Wheels RV color. It's 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata with blue, white, and black. With front, we have white bumper grille on a hood with Mad Mike logo. Pan to side with Nito logo and a Hot Wheels logo, KN logo with blue wheels. Rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof with no roof. And the code says L2, that's the code. Let's review this Hot Wheels Dodge Charger Drift car with white, black, red, and dark blue. With front, we have bull bar. Pan to side with Pursuit logo. Rear with spoiler, driver side, and roof with blue police siren. And the code says K51, that's the code. Okay? And if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. And that's all for now. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.